Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Goyal. Today I am going to show how to clean the tap water filter of Jaquar make. This is from the kitchen. Turn it anti-clockwise. In most cases it will come out simply by hand. If not, you can use a cloth. So in most cases the dirt get deposited here and water salt get deposited here that cause blockage. Now we'll move to the other ones. This one will come out similarly by turning it anti-clockwise. There is a blue colored filter, very similar mechanism. Next we will move to the washroom. There also will have similar ones. Let's place them here. You will see one here. Again move it anti-clockwise. This will come out as well. Then we have another one here, slightly bigger one, same anti-clockwise. There might be washers in some cases. We have to keep them intact like this. And lastly, the shower one. So this will also come out easily in most cases. You will see there is a filter and a washer inside, and some cases the salt water get stored here, which causes blockage. There will be a washer here as well. So let's start cleaning them. And in addition there is one more. So this is the cistern. You will see this connective. You will see washer here. In some cases it gets damaged, you have to change it if there is a leakage, but this is what we are interested in, is the filter. So this is the filter inside. In most cases it will come out easily, but if it does not, it's okay. Now let's start cleaning the filters. So most of them have the same mechanism. Just push it and it will come out. There might be washers, leave them intact. Take a soft brush and just rub off the dirt. For the salt deposits, take a scrubber, preferably some plastic material, so that you don't damage the plastic of the filter itself. Just scrub it and the salt deposits would get broken, and when you wash it will come out easily. If required, you can take a toothpick, and if there is too much stored, you can either use a toothpick, anything which will peel off the now once you have removed the filters, make sure you run the tap for some time. In some cases you might see a lot of dirty water coming. Let it flow through, and once the filters are clean, just rinse them and put them back in their respective places. Similarly, for the shower also, this would come off. Sometimes they are tricky. Anyway, just if it comes out easily, else brush them, or using some wooden thing or plastic thing, just scrub the filter so that all the deposits get broken. Now similarly, on this side there might be salt deposits on the pores, so just using your fingernails itself, scratch them, or use a toothpick or something, and just make sure that you scrubbed them off and all the holes are clearly visible throughout. And then rinse it again, pour some water on both sides. Now once all the filters are cleaned, put them back wherever there were washers, replace them back in their positions. Thank you.